This is the video that's the guide to the clickables on this screen. We'll start over here on the left. Here is a list of apps that you can run, or you could look at the videos that were made about the creation of the app. Well, we'll click on Run It for the Match 2 game, and it's just a game where you match the birds behind the tiles. Alright, now I got a match. Go to another one, another one, another one. Oh, I know where the match to that one is. It's there. Alright, this is the Match 2 game, but we have videos about the creating of the Match 2 game. All these videos are about how the Match 2 game was made. Well, we can go on. Next app is the puzzle app. We could go and run the puzzle. It's all about taking these puzzle pieces and moving them over here until we get the puzzle made. Well, there are videos about the making of the puzzle game. Click videos, and here are the videos that were made about the making of the puzzle game. Well, we can go on down the list. We can run the app, and then we can view the videos about how it was made. Now we'll go over here to this gold box. The first thing we can click on there is routines with videos. Here is a routine. These are the instructions for it. Here is a result of running that routine. And over here on the right, we see we could click on a video about this routine. And we could also click to see the next routine. So I'm going to click next. Here's a routine. I'll click next again. Another routine. Another routine. And so forth. This one is routine number 3. And each time there is a video about it. And here it actually shows you the routine. Alright, there are 30 of them. They go up to routine 29. Well, we can go here and click in 29. This is the 29th one. It's about sampling without replacement. So eventually all the pieces are picked to fill the box, and then it starts again. Alright, we're going to return from here by clicking on Return. Next, there's Create an Application. Here are videos about creating an application. Next, it's HTML files, described. That's about building an HTML file for your video. Next, there's Fun with Patterns, where it shows you all the things you can do with patterns. Next, there's In the Tick of Time. We'll take a look at that one. Here we can look at the routine about In the Tick of Time. Here it shows what the in the tick of time does. This gray is a conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is moving to the right, and when it passes in front of a chute that needs to put its box onto the conveyor belt, it instantly appears there. You can see when it passes in front, all of a sudden that colored box appears. And at the end here, there's a box every half of a second, continuously, even though you see them being put onto the conveyor belt in what looks like a random pattern, but it's not. Alright, I'm going to return from there. Now, over here, you saw it was changing routines, but I clicked on it to make it stop. Whenever you click on this gray box, the routine being run will stop. It won't keep going between the routines. I show you this because if you now click on Program, it will go right to the program that made that routine. This is, in fact, the routine that made that curved arrow. Right? Now I'll go back to executing the program again. Now if I click on the gray box again, it's going to continue on and go to other routines. But anytime I want, I can click on it and then go to the program to see the routine that made the action here. Alright, this is the video on guide to the clickables on this screen.